Namaste students, welcome to Supermaths Class 10 Arithmetic Progression Exercise number 5.2 8th question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So our AP consists of 50 terms. Number of terms in AP is 50. In which third term is 12, that is A3 is 12 and the last term is 106. When we have the 50 terms in the AP, so the last term will be 50, which is 106. Now we have to find the A29th term of this AP. For this question, we have to solve in the equation type. So, we will make two equations from the given terms, that is A3 and A50. A3 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A3 is given as 12, A we don't know, plus n number of terms, let us take it as 3 into D which we don't know. 12 equals A plus 3 minus 1, it is 2 into D. Let us consider this as our first equation. Our second equation will be A50 equals A plus n minus 1 into D. A50 is 106, A plus n is 50 minus 1 into D. Then 106 equals A plus 50 minus 1, it is 49 into D. This is our second equation. By subtracting first equation from the second, we have to find the D. First from second. Our second equation is A plus 49D equals 106. We have rearranged the second equation, that is LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS. And the first equation is A plus 2D equals 12. While subtracting, we change all signs to minus form. Plus A and minus A get cancelled. 49D minus 2D will be 47D. 106 minus 12, it is 94. So D is 94 by 47. Here 47 into 2, we get 94. So 47 ones are 47, 47 twos are 94. So D is 2. Now we found the difference D. Putting the value in the equation, by putting D value, putting the value of D in first equation, we'll find the A value. A plus 2D equals 12 is our first equation. By substituting D value, which is 2, A plus 2 2 is 4 equals 12. By transferring 4 to RHS, it will become minus 4, which is A equals 8. Now we got the value of A. Still the problem is not solved. We have to find the 29th term. Now we found the A value and D value. By using all these values, now we'll find the 29th term of this AP. A29 equals A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 8 according to our solution, plus n is 29 minus 1, D which we got as 2. Then eight plus 29 minus 1, it is 28 into 2. 8 plus 28 into 2, it is 56. By adding 8 to 56, we'll get 64 as our 29th term. Therefore, 29th term is 64. We got our final answer as 64. Thank you students, and subscribe to my channel Super Maths and share it, comment and like. Thank you.